Let the ultimate water testing begin with the purchase of a Varify 17-in-1 Premium Drinking Water Test Kit. You can test each element in the water separately and quickly, and without spending extra money sending water samples to a lab. The water test kit includes 100 16-parameter test strips, which exponentially increases the savings. If your water contains contaminants, you can rest easy. The Varify 17-in-1 tests for the most harmful metal and mineral levels and bacteria. Suppose the bad stuff is living in your home's water system in pool and spa. The Varify 17-in-1 extensive test strip tests for healthy water with the best results, even well water. The comprehensive Varify 17-in-1 Premium Test Kit includes a test tube, 16 testing strips, 2 bacteria tests, a complete instruction guide, an EPA water standards chart, and a water testing diary. The pros are high-quality test strips, complete instructional booklet and color guide, intelligent and responsive 24/7 customer support. The cons are lead can read as a false positive, high variance test strips.